Welcome. In this video, we will see as an exporter how you can add your supplier details and your buyer details. Click on supply chain and select supplier. Now select the state and the supplier role and select the suppliers from the drop-down. EUDR approved suppliers will be visible with a green tick mark. Click on Add Supplier. Now you have successfully added one supplier. Similarly, you can add multiple suppliers from the drop-down. Now to add your buyer, click on Buyer under the supply chain option and enter the basic details like the country, buyer's name, buyer's address, buyer's mobile number, etc. So for an exporter, these details will be the details of the importer in European Union. Once all the details have been entered successfully, click on Submit button. Now you have successfully added your buyer details. Thank you for watching the video.